Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the black screen issue or problem in a Steam application in 2026. So let us get you through this. Alright guys, so launch Steam and there are several approaches to this and ways how this may be solved. So option number one would be to simply make sure guys that your graphic card is using the updated or most recently released drivers. So simply navigate to your graphic card settings on your device and make sure that your drivers are up to date. And if needed, perform an update. Install these and update them. Option number two would be to navigate to your Steam account settings and to clear the cache. To do that, click into Steam in the top left, navigate to settings. Inside your settings, navigate to downloads and from here scroll down and select clear cache and confirm by clicking into this button, perform a restart of Steam and check if it fixed the issue. If it hasn't guys, there are also option number 3 and option number 4 that may contribute to solving this issue with the black screen. So option number 3 would imply to navigate to the interface settings here on the left hand side and to make sure that the hardware video encoding is enabled. If it's not the case guys, if you accidentally turn it off, simply toggle down here and perform a restart of Steam. And in the final and fourth option guys, you may stay here in the interface settings and simply participate in the beta program of Steam. To do that, click into the drop down menu and select Steam Beta Update, and this may also lead to solving this issue because in the beta participation there may be released from time to time various bug fixes, patches, etc., that may lead to solving this black screen issue guys. That's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.